Ready to join Jodan College? Here is how to apply online. Step 1. Visit our website and go to the admissions page. Step 2. Click on Apply Now and select your preferred course. Step 3. Fill in your details, including your full name, KCSE mean grade, contact information, and course choice. Step 4. Review the information you've entered to make sure everything is correct. Step 5. Submit your application and wait for our admissions team to get in touch with you. Need help with the application? Simply WhatsApp your full name, KCSE mean grade, and course choice to 0723 111 999, and our team will guide you through the process. Your career journey starts here. Apply today.